Any mention? Item number 1.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5.
There is only one item.
Who's that? Wrong
Lordship, I'm
bench.
appearing on behalf of Standing Counsel, Mr. S. Chetia.
Wrong bench. Next bench. Yes.
I think my little friends being mentioned for the other bench, please. Well, in item number 1, my lords had granted us 3 weeks time, my lords, to update this honorable court about the status of the SLP. My lords, I have no fresh instructions, my lords. If my lords kindly have this matter next week, I can update my lords what is the status.
Has it been taken up by the Supreme Court or just filed?
Don't have instruction.
It has just been filed, my lords, it's not come up.
Then, where's Mr. Archival General? I received notice state.
My lord, he is there, my lord. He's appearing to
He's
VC.
here, I can see Mr. Kumar.
Yes, yes, Mr. Archival General. There's so much disturbance, huh? Yes? Mr. Archival General, can you hear us? Yes?
Yes, my lord. This Geraldine, my lord, in this matter, the submission was, last time submission was made that the matter has been filed in SLP, my lord.
Yes.
But the fact of the matter, I checked the website also. I don't find any SLP, anything, my lord.
Then?
No, Malaj, why would we make that kind of submission? Malaj, we have pointed out earlier. But
No, at least you should give a diary number. At least you give a diary number. At least we'll know.
I'll supply the diary number to my learned friend.
Submission has been made, my lord, that the interim order has been challenged was passed in November 2025, my lord. 20 November 2025. Now they are saying that they have challenged it on first occasion they came this time to litigation. Second time when the matter came before the lordship, they said that they have filed this LP. Now it is more than 3 months.
Okay,
When the last one.
okay, 3 weeks. As instructions are not.
I'll supply the diary number to my learned friend. Malaj.
Diary number, at least they should place it before the court.
As no instructions are forthcoming from the counsel for the petitioner. It's up to 3 weeks for instructions, yes.
Bye. I'll do that.
Any mentions?
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3.
Number?
Number 3, my lord. I'm praying for today, 2 weeks time, my lord. I seek consent from the party.
There's a lot of background noise from somewhere. I mean, like if we can at least, limit that or number 3.
Lordship, number 3.
Why?
Lord, we're having some difficulties, my lord. Can you have the matter of 2 weeks? I seek consent from the.
My lord, Collective Council may start before the
Yes, the
second.
one. Here, cut the sound totally also. Yes. We can't hear muted. Anyway, yes. You're muted. Yes.
Lordship.
Okay, yes. Right. Yes, until further order.
Third is a holiday.
Third's a holiday.
Good Friday. Good Friday.
You can have this. You can have it on 6th a holiday too. You can have it on the 7th. No, 6th a holiday also. 7th. 7th. Okay. Yes.
Team right.
Yes. Yes.
Lordship, I am for respondent 2 to 3, Lordship. Lordship, the Standing Counsel, Mr. S. Chetia, he wants to physically appear in this matter. Lordship, therefore, I humbly pray if this matter may be listed on 24th March.
24th March. Where 24th? 23rd.
23rd is Monday. sir.
Milord,
23rd is Monday.
Item
On
4,
Tuesday.
Milord, is also a similar issue in item 4 as well. Parties, Milord, I have taken petition in both the cases, Milord.
23rd, 23rd.
23rd, Milord. Item 4 and 5.
Oh, 23rd. Oh, sorry. We'll have it on
24th.
24th March.
24th March.
24th March, Milord.
Yeah. Okay. You can cut out the voice now. Something wrong with your audio, Mr. Paul. Yes.
Milord, I'm sorry. Is it audible now, Milord?
No, I mean, at least there's a lot of background noise, layering of yes.
Hearing item number 1.
May it please yours. Lord, this is the matter which your Lordship has pointed out, observed on last date of hearing regarding compliance, Lord, compliance of your Lordship's order. I have taken instruction from the department, Lord, in this matter. What has happened, if your Lordship will see the last affidavit, Lord.
See, Mr. Advocate General, we're not looking anywhere. There's nothing to be heard here. It's only for your compliance.
Yes,
That's
Lord,
all.
only on the
That's it.
compliance, not on merit,
Nothing else.
Lord. I'm not on merit.
Nothing else.
Not on merit, only on compliance, Lord.
When are you going to
Lord,
comply?
it is gone, Lord. Only, Lord.
That's
For the
over.
purpose of
Everything's
compliance
over.
only. Kindly see the draft which was draft which is placed before your Lordship, the affidavit, in which your Lordship has directed the state government to disclose the steps taken for compliance of the order, my Lord. Now, in terms of that order, my Lord, if your Lordship will see what is the process which I was trying to place, my Lord. Kindly come to page 7, my Lord, page 7 of the affidavit of the state government, my Lord, filed in January of 2026, my Lord. My Lord, this is the scheme, my Lord. If your Lordship will see the scheme, because this is the scheme which the petitioners also want to be implemented expeditiously, my Lord.
Next one.
Page 7.
Yes.
This is the scheme. The scheme may be called, if your Lordship will see 1. The scheme may be called Meghalaya Non-Government School and College Employees Centralized Provident Fund Scheme 2026, my Lord. It shall come into force on the date of the state government or notification the official gazette appoint. It shall all government school, etc. My Lord. All non-government school colleges to all employees to whom Act applies, my Lord. Your Lordship has the page 7, my Lord. Page 7.
Yes.
My affidavit. So this is the scheme which the petitioners want it to be implemented, my Lord. And then the scheme contemplates, my Lord. If your Lordship will see the scheme at page 11, Constitution of the Board of Trustees. There shall be constituted with effect from such date as may be notified by state government a board of trustees for overall governance, supervision and oversight of centralized provident funds under this scheme. So the board of trustees will implement this scheme. It was notified for the opinion, including the opinion of the petitioners, my lord, advice of the opinion. If you also will see the letter at page 50, my lord, page 50, 23rd January, page 50, my lord, of the affidavit. It was also addressed for the views and comments of the petitioner also, page 50, my lord.
No, so scheme's already been, it's already been
No,
cast.
it's,
So
no, my lord, there are
what opinion remains then? Because
No,
even
no,
then, if I
there
can
are
see
two
from the
components,
scheme,
my lord.
that this scheme is aligned with new pension scheme, correct? Is aligned.
No, my lord, that is not the case. If you lordship will
It's
see
here,
the
it's
act,
here in
my
your
lord.
own. Please, Mr. Advocate General, 1 second.
Correct.
Kindly come to page 7. Where's page 7?
Yes, ma'am.
The scheme?
Yes.
Yes.
Page 7, my lord.
Yes, page 7. Page 7, you see,
Yes, my lord.
number 2, nature of the scheme.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
The scheme shall be defined contribution scheme fully aligned with the new pension scheme NPS framework. So, what remains then?
Yes. No, my lord. So then this scheme is to be administered by board of trustees.
No, but what do you notify the scheme, then you constitute a board of trustees?
The board. So this will be
Yes.
placed.
No.
And
See,
this will be placed before
Mr.
board of
Advocate
trustees, my
General,
lord.
the thing is that you notify the scheme and then a board of trustees, you can take 2 weeks time to constitute it, finish. End of
The
the
board of
story.
trustees, it is going to be placed into within 10 days, my lord. Within 1 week, we will place it before the board of trustees because the
We'll give
power
you
is
a
with the
final.
board of trustees.
The thing is that we don't see any link between the constituted board of trustees and the notification of the scheme.
The board of
Notify the
trustees
scheme,
has been constituted, my lord.
then
Board of trustees has
we'll
been
take down then
constituted.
Mr. Advocate General submits
May I
that.
just come in for a second?
Yes, submits that the last leg for the last impediment that stands the way notification the scheme is the constituted board of trustees which has since been constituted.
Malaj, if
And
I
will
may
be
just
fine.
come in for a second.
Yes.
Malaj, there is a little note we've prepared. What my learned friend is submitting is not, Malaj, the factual position why I've submitted it. Because the Board of Trustees, Malaj, was originally reconstituted, Malaj, way back in 2025. Thereafter,
So what
Malaj,
do you
what
want
they
to
have
do
done.
now?
I'm sorry, Malaj.
What do they want to do now?
Malaj, nothing is required to be done. They only have to implement it. We've prepared a small note for my Lord's kind
Board,
perusal.
your
My
lordship,
Lord's
see,
kindly just
board
have a
of
look at
trustees
it.
will implement it. It will be implemented by board of trustees, not by
Then
the
notify
government.
the scheme, Mr. Advocate General. That's all.
Yes, we will do it, my lord. We'll do
My
it.
Lord, what they do is
Yes, just notify
they
it.
go ahead and
Whatever you do
reconstitute the Board of
later on is up to
Trustees.
you. If the board of trustees is already in, please notify it. We'll give you 1 week's time.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, after hearing, let council parties it is directed that the notification should be issued within a period of 1 week positively, feeling which
2
other
weeks, my lord.
follow.
Lordship, that, because it
We
has to
draw
be placed
contempt.
in
We have no
gazette, my lord.
choice. Yes.
Gazette, my lord. It has to be placed in 10 days or
Yes.
my lord.
Well, we'll have to draw contempt. Whatever is
2.
I quite see, my lord. Is that, but
Within
10
1
days,
week.
your lordship, kindly give me 10 days, my lord.
Okay, 10 days. Positively better also. 10 days.
My Lord, they had already granted them 2 weeks. My Lord,
It's all right. It's all right.
10 days, that has been reduced to 10 days, Mr. Paul.
Item number 4.
Well, as I had mentioned, item number 4 is
Connected with item number
similar
5,
to
my
item
lord.
number 5.
Item number 4 is connected with item
Number
number
5 is
5.
what?
5 already mentioned, my lord. It's regarding the benefits of
My lord,
1026.
these are both concerning my lord's
Income tax matter, my
issued
lord.
against tribal persons.
My lord, benefit of 1026 this regarding.
Oh. Yes, same.
Please, Lordship. Beg to mention item 26, Lordship. This matter is for hearing, Lordship, but leave was granted for us to file impleadment of other parties. Can he come up in 2 weeks, Lordship, for hearing?
What's the matter about?
Is that compensation, Lordship, for illegal detention? We had filed an application for preservation of CCTV.
Yes, 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Well, I beg to mention item 24 of the hearing list, my lord.
Upgrading?
Yes, my lord.
Upgrading?
Not upgrading, my lord. I beg
For
to
adjournment?
yes, my lord. To mention item 24. In this matter, my lord, we are required to file some
I think,
impleadment.
whose other side, MS Tiangi?
No, my lord. Mr. Marapran was there. This is that matter concerning the freezing of my account, my lord.
Yes, what's wrong?
We were required to file some impleadment, my lord. The petitioner apparently is out of station, so we could not file it.
After 2 weeks, yes.
Obliged.
Yes.
I'd like to mention item number 27, Your Lordship. The conducting counsel is indisposed. Ms. S. Ann.
May please, Lordship. As per the order dated 15/12/2025, the government was supposed to obtain instruction, Lordship.
Lordship, we're still awaiting instructions.
No, even then, if the council is indisposed, the case should not suffer. Because many adjournments have been taken.
We're still awaiting
They should
instructions.
reassign the cases.
Yes.
And if you recover, they can reassign the fresh cases. We have to get things moving. After 1 week.
Yes, sir.
You,
Much
as stated that the energy is indisposed list after 1 week. Yes.
Much Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 22.
No objection, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
What's the matter about?
No more method.
We are paying for?
Respondent 5 and 6.
You are the sitting Nokmas?
Yes, Your Lord.
And you're for?
1 to 4, Your Lordship.
Okay, after 2 weeks, yes. Yes.
Hello.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Item number 1.
My lord, the impugned order is at page 25, my lord.
The second round litigation?
This will be the second round of litigation, but the subject matter is different here, my lord. Here what happened is, my lord, on the last occasions, my lord, when my lord have disposed of the matter, an order was brought to everybody's notice for the first time, my lord. We have seen that order, my lord. We are aggrieved by that order, the impugned order. The order, I'm sorry, ma?
What order is that?
Yes, the order is page 25, my lord. This is passed, my lord has got page 25, my lord.
Yes.
This is passed in the political appeal, my lord. And it says that there are 2 orders that has been suspended or stayed, my lord, by this order.
I remember this.
Yes, my lord.
That,
So
this Sardar.
yes,
Nongskam.
Yes, my lord.
The chief.
Yes.
And this
So
has been stated. That is what was reported.
yes, this is what they have said, my lord.
Yes.
So we are aggrieved. Why? 2 grounds why we are aggrieved, my lord. Now, first is, my lord, the original complainants were never heard in this, my lord. First of all, and while passing this order, my lord, already a complaint before the executive member, it was already pending there, my lord. And in spite of the pendency of that representations, my lord, this was taken up, my lord. And they could have at best issued a notice to us also, my lord. And this is an ad interim. Now by passing this, more chaos is coming up, my lord, here in the village, in the village, because here the main allegation is the financial irregularities and a complaint by his own members, my lord, executive members, my lord. And so my lord, and also, my lord, now they said that the order was in this political, the impugned order states that the Sardar does not have the power.
No, here, if I correctly remember, see,
yes,
read the order on rule the appeal patient file of Sardar also.
Yes.
The office.
It's alleged that the office of the Basan, right?
Whether this Basan has the jurisdiction to suspend the The Sardar.
My lord,
the question last time.
Page, yes, page
because
60.
If the Sardar will come from the same,
Yes.
it will not be from the Basan.
Exactly, my lord. Page 60, my lord, in order to answer to that, my lord. Page 60, my lord. Page 60, my lord, annexure 6, the typed copy is at the following page, my lord, because it's not clear. This was issued by the CM of Hima Khairim, my lord, Smith, to Lingdo of Right Mauli Lingdo. This Dorbar has received a complaint from the treasurer of the Shnad Right Nongscan against a order of the Shnad Right Nongscan dated 21/11. Yes. Yes.
This Basan will exercise the jurisdiction to suspend. We can understand it's like appointing him to inquire or to settle the matters.
Yes.
But whether in exercise or whatever has been, his whatever authority given to him by the letter.
Yes.
So whether he conveyed in a kakam in Khasi means you settle
settle. My lord,
whether he can issue a suspension order.
My lord,
the question here, because hierarchy of administration is very clear.
Yes, quite followed, my lord.
If it's Khairim or it's in Million, whatever.
So
if the Sardar is there, then sometimes they have at the mid level also.
Yes.
They have this Bakraus, whatever. Then it comes to the CM, right?
Yes.
So whether the Basan has the power also.
My lord, Basan won't have the power in its own. It won't have a. That's admitted, my lord. It won't have a power its own, my lord. But what happened here is that the CM has said that you've been bad. Look into the matter. Look into the matter. Now it did not say specifically what look into the matter. So it would mean that for the best interest of.
Where's the suspension order?
The suspension. Just print the suspension order. Take out the suspension order. Page. No, it's not a suspension order.
The suspension by the Basan, where is it?
63. My lord, 63, my lord. Page 60, translated copy, my lord. This is only a temporary suspension of your duties as order of Right Nongscan.
Yes.
So my lord, now if they are aggrieved, my lord, they could have number one challenge the order where the CM says that you look into the matter. This was bypass, my lord, bypass, and straight away the TKHDC without even looking into this, and this was not into challenge there because I was acting on the power. Of course, there is no delegated, but per se, my lord, impliedly, my lord, this has given me, and there was no specific. You look into this area only. Inquire. After inquiry, please send me the report. I'll take. He said it. He has given you pin bed. You look into the matter. So I acted on the best interest of all, my lord. Therefore, I said a temporary less suspend because it involves the financial irregularities. Now,
okay, that's one part.
Yes.
Now you see some of the complaints have been filed before the executive committee.
Yes.
By whom?
By the same by the same executive members, my lord, treasurers and the group.
The treasurer will file before the CM.
Yes. Yes, my lord. Yes. Yeah. So, my lord. Therefore, my lord, this writ petition is completely different from the first writ petitions which have come, my lord.
Your Lordship, I'm yet to receive instruction in this case. I request Your Lordship to kindly take up the matter on Wednesday.
Tomorrow? Yes, you appear on caveat.
No, it's not on caveat, my lord.
Not on caveat. But I have instruction to appear for respondent number 6, my lord. The Sordar.
Which one number 6?
The Sordar, my lord.
Suspended Sordar, my lord.
No, he's not suspended anymore, my lord.
He's suspended in both state, but there's a different angle to it also.
Yes.
But the issue here, my lord, is that we have challenged the order of suspension, my lord, because it's issued by a Lingdo who doesn't have power, my lord. As
Then
per the
before
act,
whom should you challenge it then?
Yes, my lord.
Before whom should you challenge it?
We are challenging it before the executive committee,
Why?
my lord. Because as per this act, my lord.
Let's see the act.
Yes, my lord.
Where it says against order of Basan, where does it say go for the council?
No. This paragraph 21, section 21 first, my lord, it says 21.1, my lord.
Yes.
Here it says, my lord, a Sardar Shnad or Rangbat Shnong or Sardar Shnong shall hold office as per the terms and condition in the appointment order or Senate, provided that he may be removed from office or suspended by this aim or the acting CM and his executive Darbar. So the power of suspension lies only with the CM or the acting CM or.
Right. So where should he have gone then?
My lord, in clause 2, my lord, it says any appeal, because this is an appeal supposedly passed under this 21(1), my lord. So that's why we have invoked 21 clause 2.
Who should he have gone to? Suppose there's this sort of this confusion in jurisdiction now. Suppose it's suspensions by the Basan. Who should you go to? Who's above the Basan in the CMship?
It's the same.
Then why did you go to Sir Council?
My lord, because of this clause 2, my lord.
He's been suspended as a person of authority. He's under this aim.
Which means that they have acted.
They also jumped the gun.
Yes.
As they have jumped the gun. So where should the whole thing revert back?
Then, but let the executive committee decide. Because my lord has also in the last writ petition, my lord.
So I'm sorry, but it's a committee. I think they need some classes in local.
My lord, another thing, my lord, in the last writ petition, my lord, it has been brought to the notice of this honourable court that there are two representation from the side of petitioner. There's a political appeal from our side, and your lordship has.
You filed a political appeal against suspension.
Yes, my lord, and your lordship has directed that in 2 months.
We will erase all those.
Yes.
The entire record, erase them.
Yes.
Let it go back for fresh adjudication.
Yes. Yes.
At the level of CM.
Yes, my lord. That will be the best.
Pending, my lord, there'll be confusion.
You will get for that. Will that come Wednesday? Take instructions.
Yes.
Because the whole thing is all jurisdiction. They have suspended.
Yes, my lord.
You without jurisdiction.
Yes, my lord.
The CM's abdicated authority. So what can you do? So we have to pass orders that we restore authority to him, and he makes an informed decision within a certain time.
And in meantime, we'll continue, my lord.
Meantime, we'll see. Heard Mr. P. Uvin, Minute Counsel for the petitioner. We accept notice, Mr. Shilla.
Yes, ma'am.
We can make a submission on Wednesday.
Yes, ma'am.
MS PS Nambadi. Minute Counsel is present on behalf of the respondents number 1, 2, 3. No further notice. Number 5, 4 and 5.
Same of Hima Khairim, my lord, and Lingdo Basan.
Issue notice to respondents number 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Mr. J. Shila is present on behalf of MPS Nombi accept notice on behalf of 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir. And Mr. J. Shila is present on behalf of number 6. No further notice respondents, so then notice issue to 4 and 5. We can serve by personal service.
My lord, my lord.
When one day, yes, sir. Then we listed on. Today is on April. Yes, on Thursday.
Thursday, my lord. Obliged.
Otherwise, you have to see the things that it's just a correction of procedure.
Yes,
yes. Nothing else. Yes, we'll learn to go to the merit.
My lord. Yes, obliged.
Obliged.
This lordship. Lordship, this matter pertaining to non-payment of the contract bill, where I have completed the work, they have even issued the final contract bill. But then
where's the bill?
The bill is there, Lordship. This I have annexed.
Page 11, my lord. 15 lakhs.
15 lakhs and 2 lakhs. So this will have not been released. Then
you have given them any legal notice, representation, anything?
Nothing, my lord.
Then
they have never approached us.
We have, of course,
you're not approaching the ones also. You want this court to be a post office?
No, Lordship. Actually,
you're going to treat this court like a post office then.
Lordship.
Let them approach, my lord. We'll consider
no, Lordship, because Lordship, I just somebody approaching will be like Lordship, computer access. We did never consider whenever we approach. So that's
how
why. Lordship is we have been approaching. We did not, of course, officially we did not put in the paper.
15 days, not here.
But then officially we did not write any application, Lordship. But then we have been pursuing it personally.
Mr. P.T. Sangma, the competition issue notice. Mr. SD is present on behalf of the respondent. No further notice required. The matter concerns non-payment of certified bills as submitted by the petitioner. Though no representation or legal notice has been served, in the end of justice, let instructions be obtained within
Lordship.
3 weeks.
Lordship. Much blessed, Lordship.
Item number 3.
Yatra actually.
Yatra matter. Affidavit.
Your Lordship, yeah. We have filed affidavit.
What does the affidavit say?
We have not yet received the affidavit.
Why you don't give him copy?
We have just filed. We are in
They've
process.
just filed. We have not received any copy, Your Lordship.
We are in process of filing.
Yes, Mr. Kim Harindo, Leonard Counsel for Sim of Rang.
Respondent number 10.
Respondent number 10 submits that affidavit has been filed. Stop. He prays out to serve copies on the petitioner's person as also the state
All the
respondent.
rest, yes, Your Lordship.
Just after 1 week.
Yes.
Well, let's after 2 weeks for rejoinder. You're going to file any reply.
Okay. Thank you.
4.
May I please, Your Lordship, I humbly pray some more time to seek instruction in this matter, Your Lordship.
Yeah, what did she say, your client?
No, I haven't yet to receive the instruction from the.
You didn't
petitioner.
contact the petitioner or that means?
We did, Your Lordship, but yet to receive. I humbly pray
Then
some more
decided
time.
on merits.
No, Your Lordship, one more chance, Your Lordship. I'll get
Where's
instruction.
Mr. K? Because after this letter, dated 23rd June 2010,
Yes, Your Lordship, regarding the age, she's over
Nothing
age.
remains. Nothing remains.
Yes,
she's
Your
over
Lordship.
aged, so what to do?
For that, Your Lordship, I need to seek instruction for the client. On the next day, Your
We're just
Lordship,
giving you as, just on mercy, we said okay for things. So otherwise, there's nothing remains for hearing. You just tell her, say that there's nothing to be heard. The court's observed. So if you want to go ahead, then you'll get a negative order, or you can withdraw if you want.
we'll get instruction positively, Your Lordship, on the next day.
Court's hands are tied also. We can't increase the age limit. Yes.
Please, I have.
Okay. After 1 week.
Yes. Much of.
MS also submits that instruction of release just after 1 week.
It's for affidavit. I'm praying for a week's time, my lord.
Who for the petitioner? Mr. Alam. You're Mr. Alam?
Yes. So, Lordship, Lordship, may it please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship.
Yes, 2-4 weeks.
A week will.
Lordship, may it please, Lordship. Lordship, I am an outstation counsel, so I am praying for a date, Lordship.
Not yet. After 1 week, yes, for affidavit. Keep a local counsel.
6.
You don't have local counsel?
Yes.
Do you have local counsel or not?
No.
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
Where's the local counsel?
Lordship.
Tell them to appear next after for affidavit, yes.
6.
Lordship.
But affidavit is telling the cause of the day, my lord. This is the instructions and I have prepared the affidavit, my lord. So we'll be filing the cause of the day.
Learned GS submits that affidavit final cause of the day just after 1 week.
Obliged, my lord.
You given copy to him?
Not yet.
No, my lord. I'll be giving
7.
to them.
Must respond. This is a case, my lord, for the university. This is a case, my lord, relating to, my lord, that temporary status regularization.
Where's the petitioner? Last time there was no one for the petition also.
There are in fact 12 such people, my lord. All of them filed writ.
So where's the petitioner? Counsel.
Mr.
Oh,
Dotto.
S. Bharat. She's
No, Mr. Dotto, I think is appearing.
doctor?
Mr. Dotto.
No. The name A. Chetri, S. Bharat. It's her case, I think.
My lord, only thing if I can make a prayer, my lord, there is a lead case in this Ilyas Marvinian.
Yes, sir.
There is a lead case, my lord, Ilyas Marvinian. Mr. Dotto is appearing. That case, lordship has heard. Only want some instruction. This matter is coming up on 12th. So all these matter, my lord, similar matters, your lordship.
None
This
appears for the petitioner.
may come up on 12th, your lordship.
Next paragraph, none appears for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. S. and Leonard Counsel for the respondent number.
Your Lordship, I'm for respondent number 2.
Your phone number 2. Number 2 is?
It's the UGC, Your Lordship.
Yes, okay. Your name?
Your Lordship, there is a new development with regard to this matter, so we will file our reply within 1 week.
If it's similar matter is pending, my lord.
File by the 12th.
Okay, Your Lordship.
There's no time. Now is the no.
9.
Lordship can see, my lord, on 12, my lord, because they have filed the affidavit, everything. Only one instruction Lordship is waiting, whether the approval of UGC is required or not. Because one appointment was issued in
What
2000.
development is there?
Your Lordship, I don't have any further instruction. But
Is connect. It is the same relation with the other matter.
Yes, it's same. Same.
The instructions.
Same.
Where's the owing counsel?
she has an urgency, Your Lordship, so she requested me to assist her for a day.
Lordship can see if your Lordship posted on my similar matter. Same letter we have written seeking approval from UGC on 12, along with 70 of 24.
Unconsidered petition. What's your name?
M. Surong, Your Lordship.
MS M. Surong. Vice MS Eslangte, first number 2, submits that they have received certain instructions which want to place by way of affidavit. So, next, Mr. SN, however, appearing for the University Respondents 3 and 4, submits that the matter is similar to
Writ petition 70 of 24.
WPC number 70 2024, which is due to come up on the 12th of March. He prays that the matter be listed together. Yes, prayers allowed this on 12. Okay, we can file. If it doesn't file, no problem. We will have a look.
Much
Giving
more.
instructions.
8.
You tell your counsel to be present.
Okay, Your Lordship, sure.
8.
Lordship, the state has filed the affidavit.
I'm praying for time, Your Lordship, to file the rejoinder.
Rejoinder.
Yes, Your Lordship.
State response have since filed the affidavit. MS also prays funds allowed. You stand up for rejoinder, yes.
9.
Lordship, in this case, in view of the order dated 17/2/26 passed by Your Lordship in WPC 268 of 25, this matter has become unfructuous, Your Lordship. This is regarding the elections in Maula Gandhi VC.
Lordship, this matter is as instruction.
Okay. That's 274.
Lordship, this
274, Your
matter is
Lordship.
different, Your Lordship, is 545, and the matter was
No,
separated.
this is
on the last day.
545, but the matter is regarding Maula Gandhi elections only, VAC. So in view of this, Your Lordship has directed us to complete the
Election
verification
process. Yes.
and conduct the elections within 6 weeks. So
Yes,
that,
elections are over.
not yet, Your Lordship, 6 weeks is yet to be over.
Still
Verification.
verification is going on.
We were given 6 weeks time on the 17th of February.
Verification is complete. What's your prayer here?
Lordship,
Verification
we are
is not
asking
yet
for
complete.
election, Your Lordship, in the 4 part of Maula Gandhi.
And all the whole on?
All the 4 part. in
There's no
Maula
4 parts, only one part. They're
One
not
part.
bifurcating
It's a
that.
vast area, Your Lordship, perhaps there.
But that's already been adjudicated before whether it can be split or not.
Lordship, as per the instruction, there are 4 parts, Your Lordship.
You had Mr. Hassan.
Lordship.
Where's Mr. Hassan? Yes. Why is standing at the door? Yes.
My lord, they have to.
Now they have submitted that the verification is over only for election.
No, verification is not yet over, Your Lordship. It's still continuing.
Then
Yes, my lord. My lord, our prayer is, my lord, as per the previously, my lord, the Mulekandi VC is under part 4, my lord. Election was held in part 4, so that is only my prayer, my lord. So I am not aware about the status of the verification, my lord.
6 weeks getting over when?
6 weeks will be getting over. Your Lordship, the order was passed on 17th February, so,
So 6
4
weeks
weeks
is
is yet to be over. Yeah. 6 weeks will be at the end of March, I think.
I think that, my lord, let the verification
You let the
done, my lord.
Yes, MS T Yangi B, then EAG has submitted as per the order of this court. It is 7/2/2026. 6 weeks time had been allowed for completing the verification process
And the election
and
conduct.
for holding elections. She praised the matter to sit after 3 weeks. Yes. So, allowed to appeal instructions.
My lord, highly obliged.
Obliged.
10.
Here also, Your Lordship, we have filed our affidavit, the state.
Your Lordship will be filing a rejoinder.
Yes, still respondent since filed the affidavit. Your name, sorry?
DS Paja.
This year, the praise funds allowed 2 weeks time to file a joinder.
Much obliged.
11.
I've sent for the vetting of the affidavit, my lord. I'm praying for another 2 weeks time.
This is a
That, my lord, Martin, my lord, they want to shift it to a new place. But they was having problem with the hearing. They said they was not heard. We are challenging the maintainability of the writ petition itself.
any appeal for whom? And you? And you?
Lordship, I'm appearing for the Darbar Shnong Nonghali, where the proposed landfill is to be set up.
You're agreeable with that?
We are agreeable with that, Lordship.
Yeah, MSP Thaba.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. What about the other? You all file affidavits?
No.
You're supporting or you're opposing? Mister? You filing course of the day?
No, my lord. I've just sent it for the vetting. They will check and they will.
Mr. SD for
Respondent number 7, my lord.
7. MSB Sun for number 4. Pre and allowed further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. No. What about you? No.
I'll take time also, Lordship. I'll require some time.
So also ML Nongpir for 9. You also? You'll be filing? What's that only? JN Ranjak 1 and 2. Bison, right? For IB number 4. JN Ranjak 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Then IB number for 4. SDA for 7. 8 is where?
It is district.
No one. ML for 9. Pray for not. Further 2 weeks time for affidavit.
Obliged.
12. 12.
Well, please, Your Lordship, by the last order dated 16th of February, we were directed to file a affidavit of service upon the respondents 3 and 4. That's been done. They've been served on the 6th of February, as per the certificate.
Affidavit of service affidavit service on respondent for affidavit indicating factum of service upon respondent 3 and 4 has since been filed. As such, all the respondents stand served. Yes.
1, 2, 6
What about 10?
10, my lords, is the candidate who secured the post. We're not insisting on any notice on this person at the moment.
Yes. What saja? 3 and 4 they've been served. Yes. What do you
for 1, 2, 6 to 9, my lord.
MS Dr. Moska 1, 2, 6. You file affidavit.
I'm not I'm praying for some more time.
By the time the course will be over.
There's some urgency, my lord. 1 more week may be given to them.
2 weeks time, my lord. I'll try to file it. Because NIA is here, but it's not in their hands, my lord.
We understand. Yes, sir. Dr. Mozika for 1. I'm done.
1 and 2, 6 to 9.
Please phones allowed for the 2 weeks time to file reply. Any appearing for? 5. So respondent 5. Also praise as allowed. Similar time. Then stop. Just after 2 weeks for appearance of 4 and 5. Sorry, 3 and 4. And for affidavits, it is expected as it is submitted next paragraph. As the matter has some urgency, expected the affidavit be on board and next date.
Because my lord, the course is already over for 3 months, more than 3 months now.
Last date was extended till Jan 22nd.
Next admissions will.
Lordships will examine that.
13.
Obliged, my lord.
13.
Item 13, 14, 17 and 18 are, and 19 and 20 are connected matters.
Yes, ma'am.
Item, one second, come back. Item number.
Yes, sir. Item 13,
14,
14,
14,
14, 17, 18, 19 and 20.
18, 19 and 20, my lord.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Yes.
Yes.
All connected.
Are connected.
Yes.
This is a second round of litigation, my lord. I would say it's a third round of litigation, my lord. In the first round, my lord, they came before your lordship and wide order dated 11th March 2020, my lord. Your lordship dismissed their case for regularization.
11 March 2020.
2020, my lord. This is part of my affidavit in the item number. If your lordship will see, your lordship's order is part of your lordship's order in the item 19, my lord. 19, in item 19, your lordship's order is there. Item 19.
It's there, my lord, mentioned in paragraph 9. Paragraph 9 of this report.
Item 19, your lordship, kindly see the order, lordship. Item 19 and counter of the respondent 5, my lord. Respondent number 5 and annexer R2, my lord. The lordship has the order of the lordship of 11th March 2020, my lord, at R2 in respondent number 5's counter affidavit, my lord.
R2.
Yes, R2 respondent number 5's counter affidavit, my lord, at page 23, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship will see that these two writ petitions, paragraph 1, being similarly situated, hereby proposed to be disposed of by this common judgment and order. Petitioners have approached this court seeking regularization absorption of their service to the vacant post which they are presently occupying under Regulation 3F of MPSC. The grievance as portrayed is that their services after initial appointment, which was by selection process conducted by department, though renewed from time to time, their case for accommodation or regularization has not been considered by respondent. Petitioners also agreed at the advertisement dated 26 April 2016, published by MPSC for filling of 13 vacancies of the post of Industrial Promotion Officer, which also includes posts presently occupied by them. Petitioners are therefore before this court with a prayer for consideration for regularization of their services through Meghalaya Public Service Commission. After noting down the submission, my lord, in paragraph 6, my lord, paragraph 6 at page 25, your lordship, the notes down, and then 7 is your lordship's finding, my lord.
Yes.
Because 6, my lord, they have applied in 2013 in the advertisement, they failed, my lord. 7. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and giving my thoughtful consideration to the facts at hand, though the case of petitioner seems to be a case of genuine deprivation of discrimination, the relief claim, however, will not be available to them as per settled law and in the facts as they pertain. No doubt, it cannot be said that the petitioners were temporarily appointed irregularly, illegally, to the post of Industrial Promotion Officer in the Commerce and Industry Department in as much as their selection and appointment was through a process conducted departmentally, but it was clear from the start that same was under Regulation 3F. Appointment under 3F, as indicated above, is when in public interest and appointment is to be made immediately as reference to the commission. In this case, MPSC, lordship deals with that. And then, my lord, if lordship will see the next page, my lord, the petitioner, second line at page 2, the petitioner, therefore, at the time of entering temporary employment, were well aware as to the ramification of their terms of employment, which would necessarily entail proper regular selection to be conducted by. In this context, it can be understood that they had taken part in regular selection process, which was conducted pursuant to the first advertisement for regular selection dated 18th April 2023, which unfortunately was, however, not to their advantage, and they were not selected, unlike other similarly situated candidates who were appointed initially under Regulation 3F, were successful in regular selection. So almost all of them, my lord, succeeded except 4 who are before your lordship. It can be discerned, therefore, the petitioner on publication of fresh advertisement dated 26 April 2016 by MPSC, which also included the posts which they were occupying, being apprehensive as to their chances of success in securing regular selection, came before this court to stall the said process and seek mandamus for regularization. As observed earlier, though the temporary appointment of petitioner is neither illegal or regular, in terms of their appointment and application of Regulation 3 of MPSC, cannot, however, make their case sustainable or meet the requirement of law to render them any substantial relief. Judgment relied upon by the counsel for the petitioner are also of no assistance in their case. In view of the matter and first discussed above, these petitions are disposed of with direction to the petitioner to be allowed to participate in the selection process as advertised by the MPSC on 26 April 2016 for filling of the vacancies, and if found to be overage, the same be condoned and relaxed as per petitioners are concerned, my lord. And this was taken to the division bench, my lord. On next page, lordship, this order was challenged by the petitioners before division bench of this honorable court, my lord. And division bench also, they withdrew the writ appeal with liberty to file fresh advertisement, my lord. So your lordship's order, so far as their claim for regularization is concerned, that was rejected, and what attained finality, giving them right to participate in the advertisement, my lord. Now, these are the two set of petitions your lordship have. If your lordship has seen, if the lordship will have the call.
The same post only.
Same post, my lord. This is item 19 and 20. These are the two writ petitions, 14 of 2024 and 15 of 2024, for same purpose. They have filed these two writ petitions, my lord. Writ petition 14 of 2024 and 15 of 15.
What did he ask? What was the prayer now?
In the current, my lord, prayer is again regularization, my lord.
Okay.
And if your lordship will see the prayer at page 12, my lord. Again, they are challenging the advertisement, my lord, at page 12.
What happened to 16 advertisement?
Now,
that was stayed by this court.
They did not,
it was stayed by the court, my lord. If I can explain.
No, 16. Because that time the bench order also they were allowed to take part if they represent.
Yes, thereafter, my lord, the state has advertised those posts, my lord. Then I have approached again before this honorable court.
Against 16?
Against, yes, my lord.
When we advertised?
24, my lord.
2024, my lord.
16 restrictions carried out.
No, 16 advertisement, my lord, those are different advertisement, my lord, whereas the post which we were holding, my lord, we wanted again to be absorbed in those posts, my lord, in those vacancies.
No, what happened as per the earlier round?
They did not sit.
It was state, my lord. If I can explain the case properly, my lord. Initially, what has happened, my lord, I have come before this honorable court, my lord. If my lord has a copy of the first item, my lord, item number 13.
Yes.
My lord, you kindly see the page number 4, my lord. Page number 4, my lord.
Yes.
Paragraph 2. My lord,
yes.
Initially, my lord, the petitioner has participated in the advertisement, my lord, dated 27/7/2010, and then thereafter, my lord, they have been selected in the post, and they were given appointment, that is at annexure 2, my lord.
No, 3F
yes.
only.
Yes, under 3F.
Yes, okay.
Yes. Now, thereafter, my lord, what has happened, my lord, we have approached before this honorable court by a WPC number 257 of 2019, that is at paragraph 9, my lord. Before this honorable court, however, this honorable court has disposed of the case by holding that neither the service of the petitioner is illegal or irregular. However, my lord, the court has held that as observed earlier, though the temporary appointment of the petitioner is neither illegal or irregular, the terms of their appointment and the applications of the regulations 3F of the MPSC limitations and so and so cannot, however, make their case sustainable and or meet the requirement of law to render them any substantial relief. The judgment relied upon by the counsel for the petitioners are also of no assistance to the case.
and thereafter my lord has disposed of the case by allowing the petitioner to participate in the selection process. Now thereafter my lord, what has happened is agreed by the order my lord, we have filed an appeal before the honorable division bench.
If representation will happen.
Division bench my lord, that is writ appeal number 12 of 2020, that is and the honorable division bench my lord has allowed us to file a fresh representation, and the relevant paragraph my lord, page number 8, paragraph 11. Paragraph 11 my lord, what the honorable division bench has said my lord. The honorable division bench of this honorable High Court wide order dated 22/10/2021 was pleased to dispose of the writ appeal bearing writ appeal number 12 of 2020 with a liberty to the petitioner herein to file fresh representation before the respondent with regard to regularizations of their service, and has further directed that in the event any such representation is filed by the petitioner, the same shall be decided by the respondent independently on its own merit and in the light of the documents dated 1st May 2017 and 19 February 2021, and in the event if any adverse order is passed, the further liberty was granted to the petitioner to challenge the same before the appropriate forum. Now what is the division bench has said, you decide the representation.
Okay, now what happened after that?
Now thereafter this representation, what we have filed my lord at page number at page number 37 my lord, we have filed this representation my lord.
Yes.
There was this was never disposed of the page number 37 my lord.
Date?
The date is 3/11/2021, page number 37 my lord.
Yes.
Now this representation my lord, they were directed to decide on the basis of two documents my lord, that is page number 38.
Yes.
My lord, this is a notification dated 1st May 2017. It says, on the recommendations of the MPSC wide letter number so and so, the appointment of the following doctors as medical and health officers under regulation 3F of the MPSC regulation 1972 as per government notification indicated against each other each are hereby regularized with effect from 23/3/2017, and another document my lord, that is at page number 42, that is 19 February 2021. Here also my lord, the 3F appointees who were the junior divisional accountant my lord, they were regularized. Now our case was my lord that we were appointed under 3F, as the state has done regularizations for the doctors as well as the junior divisional accountant, so we should also be treated in a similar line my lord, and therefore honorable division bench has given direction to the state, you file a fresh representation and state will decide on the basis of, in the light of these two documents my lord. However, that was never decided by the state. Therefore my lord, we have filed a contempt petition my lord, that is also pending before this court. Earlier contempt my lord which was filed, the state has given an affidavit my lord, wherein the state has said that the case for regularization is under consideration, and they have sent to the my lord, may kindly see page number 9 of my petition my lord, paragraph 15.
Yes.
This is the earlier contempt petition my lord, wherein the state has filed their affidavit and said that the matter on regularizations of the service in respect of 5 industrial promotion officers appointed under regulation 3F of MPSC was again endorsed to the personnel and AR department on 8/2/2023 through file endorsement. Again at paragraph 14 it says, necessary actions for regularizations of the service in respect of 3 petitioners along with other 2 petitioners is pending with the personnel and AR department, and therefore my lord, the court has in that contempt petition my lord has directed wide order dated 12/4/2023 at next page my lord, page number 10. It has directed the respondent that the compliance of the court's order should be expeditious and complete my lord, page number 10. Even thereafter also, my lord, in spite of the order of the court, my lord, the order was never complied, my lord. And the second contempt petition is, my lord, pending before this honorable court, my lord.
R5, my lord, of R5 counter, my lord, R5 counter, which it is already disposed of. It is already annexed also, my lord.
No, my lord.
The order is of 20th October 2023, my lord.
Contempt case 75.
Where is it? Your lordship, kindly see the counter which I have showed, my lord. Counter R5 in the previous matter, my lord.
The representation disposed of.
Read petition 14, my lord. Read petition 14, that is item 19, my lord. Your lordship has seen the order. Just now, your lordship's order, and then lordship will see the R5.
Affidavit 14.
14 of 2024, and the counter affidavit of R5 at page 35.
At page?
Page 35. And date is 20th October 2023. Kindly refer to your presentation dated 3/11/2021, wherein a request has been made to regularize your services at industrial so and so. I am to inform you that matter has been taken up with so and so. However, concern informed that to instruct the apply to the post once it is advertised by Meghalaya Public Services, it is therefore requested to participate in computer examination after due advertisement of the commission. Your lordship has already held, sitting singly, that have no right to regularize.
State was directed to decide in the light of two documents, my lord. Where is the finding, my lord?
The order was not interfered by the division bench. They said decide the representation. We have decided the representation, and all these orders, your lordship's order was not placed. Division bench order was also not placed, my lord. We have filed it in the counter affidavit, my lord. All these material facts have been suppressed, and they are so first round they are saying that regularize me. That order your lordship has rejected in 2021. Your lordship has seen your lordship's order. Now they went to division bench. Division bench did not interfere with your lordship's order. Only said you want to give representation, give representation. But that did not. We cannot.
My lord,
we cannot go back.
It is.
No, I understand. I know what Mr. Sinkon is saying, that the representation was not disposed of in terms of what they
direction.
Had. In terms of what they pre-representation, they have given no reference to that 1/5/2017 and that 19/2/2001.
Yes, my lord.
2021. If that is the grievance, my lord, we can satisfy his grievance by disposing of the representation.
The thing is that if that is the case, that representation also is that it's very.
We will say, my lord, we will take into account those two letters and your lordship's order and division bench order. We pass a detailed order satisfying. But the question is, my lord, real question is, my lord, that the lordship has already rejected the plea of regularization, directing the parties to participate in the advertisement. That in 2016 he did not participate. He challenged 2024 advertisement, my lord. Now also, because that prayer is gone, my lord. That
fine. That to that extent, the single bench order has been diluted. See, whatever happened, okay, rejection is there, but dilution in the sense the division bench they got it modified to the extent that you consider representations. So we can't. Yes, so that order of this bench won't hold steadfast.
To that extent, we will pass the speaking order, my lord.
My lord, one more thing, my lord. What they are what the state has said, my lord, because I have challenged in 2026, they have relied upon the OM, my lord, this presently which has been here, my lord, whereby they have asked the petitioner to participate in the new process. Now, my lord, we have been working for nearly 14 years, my lord. 14 years in the same post. Now, they have not challenged the order of the division bench, my lord. The state have never challenged the order of the division bench, my lord. And the directions of the division bench was very clear that you have to decide the representation on the basis of those two documents. That was never done, my lord. And state cannot apply the OM, my lord, retrospectively in my case. What was accrued to me, my lord, they cannot take away, and this is a settled law, my lord.
Yes. Click down, man.
We'll file counter affidavit in the main matter, my lord.
We'll dispose it off.
Or your lordship
It can be,
dispose it off with direction to pass speaking order, my lord.
Speaking
In the terms
order.
of division bench order.
Now, my lord, because they have not filed, they have not disposed of the representation, my lord. But if my lord will give a clear direction that it should not be on the basis of the OM, my lord, they cannot apply this OM retrospectively.
In terms of division bench order, we will.
Yeah, in terms of the light of the division bench order.
That is the
But
clear.
Mr. M. Sinkon, there are two matters here.
Many matters.
I mean, like the fresh matters.
Yes, two matters, my lord.
14, 2024.
Yes.
Now OM's 25.
Yes, my lord.
So then how it's filed in 24? So the affidavit is said. So where have you brought in that OM 20? The other ones are 23, 9, 20.
That is in the new matter, my lord. Which petition?
New matter 2026. That item number 13, my lord. If my lord will say item number 13.
This is 14 is very confusing. 13 of is 26.
Yes, 13 of 26.
So the thing is that we should pass order in which writ petition?
My lord, may kindly pass in the new one 13. Item number 13, my lord.
This order will go in 14 and 15, my lord. 14 and 15. Because they have questioned the advertisement of 2024, my lord. Third round of. And connected contempt petition number 33 of 2023 and 34 of 2023.
Let's pass the order first, yes. Yes, sir.
Page number 31, my lord, in this item number 13, that is the OM, my lord, I have enclosed, which they have sent me in the letter dated 15 December 2025, page number 29, my lord. What they have said, my lord, in view of the above, you are advised to follow standard operating procedure.
Some other case. Yes, you have attended some other matter.
Yes, my lord, before Chief Justice Court.
Yes, yes, of course. Who's here? MSS Lalu is here.
Yes.
And Mr. Abraham is there. Mr. Abraham has been there in this matter throughout.
But Mr. Abraham is just like become like a passenger now, not like a lawyer anymore. Hardly appears also. Right.
Earlier 21 he argued the matter.
I know.
21
Yes.
argued matter before.
Before he was a very active counsel. Now he's tired, I think. You're tired.
He's very aged. I'm good.
Very aged. No, he's not aged. Yes.
My lord, may kindly see page number 29.
Number?
Same writ petition, my lord, 26, item number 13.
Yes.
Here, my lord, in page number 29, what they have sent, these orders are impugned in fresh writ petition. my lord.
We got it. The fresh ones are 13 and...
Yes, 13 and 14, my lord.
13 and 14 and the petitioners are... 13 is 2 and 14. How many pages are there? Roderick. Okay. Take them.
Page number 29, my lord. These are orders impugned, my lord. Annex of 5.
Petitioners who are stated to be serving in the post of Industrial Promotion Officer in the Department of Commerce and Industries for the last 14 years are again before this court in the third round litigation.
My lord.
In the third round litigation, praying for regularization of the services in the said post. Stop. In the brief facts are that you just say the brief background facts necessary are that the petitioners had entered their service by the selection process which had been conducted by the Departmental Selection Committee and were appointed under regulation 3F of the MPSC regulation, MPSC, the petition one. It's called MPSC questions. Okay. On the services not being regularized, the writ petitioners had in the year 2020.
My lord, the first writ petition was to 2019, my lord. WPC
In the
2.
year
Page number 6. Paragraph 9, my lord.
a little bit earlier. Had in the year, there are two, 2017, 2019.
Yes.
Had in the years 2017 and 2019 approached this court by way of LPC number 198 of 2017 and LPC number 257 of 2019, which were disposed of by this court by order dated 11/3/2020, whereby the directions were issued that the petitioners be allowed to participate in a selection process which had been advertised on 26/04/2016 for new vacancies. Against the order of the single bench, the petitioners had then preferred writ appeal being writ appeal number 11 of 2020, which was disposed of by order dated 22/10/2021.
11 and 12. There are two.
The 11 and 12, which is disposed of by order dated 22/10/2021, whereby this court directed that the representations of the petitioners were to be decided by the respondents on its own merit and in the light of documents dated 10/01/2013 and 19/02/2021. Stop.
And one more, my lord. 1st May 2017.
It's not here.
It's in.
It's not here in the order. We won't record that.
There are two. It was reflected in order of writ appeal 12.
Where's the appeal 12 order?
It is there in 2000. This writ petition, my lord. That is
in the present petition.
Yes, in 2026, my lord. Bar and Roshan.
Page
number 36, my lord.
No. This one.
Page number starting from page number 35 and
it's not here. It's only 10/01/2013 and 19/2021. That's all. With the directions that stop. The present grievance of the petitioner is that though the clear directions had been although there were clear directions passed by this court in the writ appeals, the representation had been disposed of on a different ground altogether, and where's your prayer? And further, the grievance representation is firstly, the representations were not disposed of as per direction of the division bench, and secondly, that the fresh repetitions have been occasioned in view of the fact that the respondents had referred to the offers memorandum dated 25/9/2025 with regard to the aspect of realization of the petitioners, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one, Mr. N. Synchronous counsel for the petitioners has submitted that the action of the respondents in seeking to club the services of the petitioner and the prayer for realization under the OM dated
25/9/2000. Page number 31, madam.
The OM dated 25/9/2025 is misplaced and incorrect, inasmuch as the dispute has arisen, inasmuch as the cause of action of the petitioners and their claim for realization has arisen much before the advent of the said memorandum, which would apply only to other cases. Stop. Learned counsel has also strenuously argued that though the representations have been disposed, representation preferred pursuant to the judgment of the division bench dated
20. 22/10/2021.
Have been disposed of, the same had totally lost sight of the directions contained therein. He therefore prays that as further impugned orders have been passed, whereas that the continuance cannot be allowed.
My lord, may see page number 27.
No.
And then
onward, 3 names are shown.
28 and 29.
29.
29, yes.
And no. He further submits that a further order which has been impugned had also been passed, has also been issued on 15
December
12/2025, whereby the services of the writ petitioners, all of them are petitioners.
Yes, my lord.
Have not been extended, but is working by
They are working, my lord, in view of the order, my lord.
But he submits by he submits that further. He submits that. He then submits that further orders fully. Not been extended. Stop. He, however, submits that due to the interim orders of this court, he petitions a continuing service. Legal counsel prays that the respondents, the writ of mandamus issue to direct the respondents to comply with the explicit directions contained in the division bench order and for disposal of writ petition taking to account considering the documents mentioned therein. The learned Advocate General with Mr. H. Abraham appearing for the respondents has laid strong emphasis on the fact that the petitioners are appointees under Regulation 3F of the MSC, to the bracket you add those things, and as such have no vested right to claim for realization, inasmuch as they will have to face a regular selection process. He has further submitted that they didn't succeed earlier on.
They did, yes.
He first submitted that it is the petitioners, though had appeared for selection in the early round of selection pursuant to advertisement dated 16.
2000.
The first one where they appeared for selection. No. The first one they appeared for selection and then. No.
That one we have cleared. 2010 we were appointed, my lord.
No, 2010. The second one where they appeared. 23 failed.
23 probably, my lord. There was an advertisement subsequently, so
you appeared 23.
We appeared and we did not clear.
Yes, Sama.
That is a different advertisement.
For a selection process, they were not successful, and as such, at this stage, cannot claim the favor realization by virtue of serving the said post for many long years. He, however, has the Advocate General then submits that, however, as it has been pointed out by the court that perhaps the representation has not been disposed of in the manner as directed by the order of the division bench, the respondents may be given the opportunity to re-examine the matter and consider it in the light of the documents mentioned therein and also in accordance with law.
Without relying on the OM.
Yes, Honorable, yes. This court notes that, where's that thing? This court are having heard the accounts of the parties and looking into history of the entire case. This court cannot help note that the petitioners have engaged in litigation since
2017.
Until date, the matter is yet to be resolved this way or that. The recent the incident petition that WBC 13/2026. It is also noted that the respondents have sought to take refuge under the OM dated 23/9/2025 to settle the case of the petitioners, to answer the grievances of the petitioners.
25/9.
Yeah, 25/9/2025 to answer the grievances raised by the petitioners. But this court, on perusal, in consideration of the long checkered history, would like to observe that the offers memorandum dated 25/9/2025 would have no application to the case of the petitioners in view of the earlier orders passed by this court, a division bench. Accordingly, without lingering the matter any further, And since the learned advocate general has made a concession that the matter be re-examined without examined, it is therefore directed that where's that order, Division Bench? It's in the it's directed that therefore directed to re-examine afresh the representation dated
Dated, my lord, 3/11/2021.
3/11/2021 in the light of as per the direction contained in the order dated 22/10/2021 passed in writ appeal number 11 of 2020 and 2020 by the division bench of this honorable court of it is next slide is further made clear. How long will you take this disposal of? Yes, the advocate general pays funds allowed. No, the said representation shall be disposed of. Will you 6 weeks? 6 weeks from the date of the order presented before from the date of this order today, and it's made clear that during the pendency, before any further orders are passed, the services of the petitioner shall not be disturbed. Yes. With the aforesaid directions, the writ petitions are going to dispose of.
Liberty may be granted, my lord, in case
the new cause of action you have liberty. What is that? What about the other matters? That is 13. That is 13 of 2026. Then 14.
13, 14, one is contempt matter, my lord.
So we'll just say in view of the order pass. We say in view of the order pass here. The other matters will be closed.
My lord. Oblige.
15.
Please, Your Lordship. I'm entering appearance for respondent number 4, Lordship.
The bank, my lord.
Bank, Lordship. This is Nongstoin branch. You will need at least 2 weeks' time to reply to the petition.
Choosing your account.
Yes, my lord. And my lord.
At least 2 weeks, Lordship. Because this is
number 4.
Number 4, Lordship.
My lord.
Who's number 5?
Number 5 is the bank, the Northeast region zonal officer.
You're appearing for 5 also.
No, only 4, George.
See, 1 is state, 2 is
5 is not there.
4 is
4, my lord.
4 is Sahid Bingan. Who's he?
This is the branch manager.
He's appearing. You're appearing for him.
Yes, I'm appearing as a branch manager, not as a person by name.
5.
5 is the zonal officer, my lord. If I file an impletement application.
No, have they been served?
Yes, my lord. We've said we're waiting for the service report.
Yes, and you'll be appearing for them also. The waiting service report had been served.
They have been served. We're just waiting for the report from the postal.
Office note indicate Mr. S. Marpan has entered appearance the house upon number 4 today. However, service report in respect of number 5 is still not complete. Petition directed to obtain status and to file affidavit if necessary. Mr. S. Marpan pay funds allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
And the status report from the investigation officer.
Yes. Yes. Oh no, sorry. You got status report. So why don't you say 4 in the first instance? From the S. Marpan entered appearance on behalf of number 4 today. However, today Mr. M.S. Lesladu has produced a status report dated 6 March 2026.
I don't have a copy, my lord.
You will get it.
Yes,
Issued by Sona Police, Suez Cousin of Fund. What's CEF?
CEF.
CEF and CDR?
CDR is called records, my lord. CDR is called records something. And CF,
CF and CDR mobile numbers also.
CIF is, I think, the customer number of the mobile. I'll look it up, my lord. CRD is the call records.
See, your call detail record CDR shows that you're in contact with certain person and you take a.
Yes, my lord. I'll see instruction.
Let them answer.
Yes.
Customer information file, CIF.
MSS traffic place for you, sir. Only one thing. Now, after all these details were given, did the bank take any action to honor freezing of this account dynamic of the person who received the money?
As per the complaint, Lordship, in the complaint itself, they have requested to freeze
the account of petitioner means the person to whom the money debited from this account to that person. Was it frozen onward?
That I don't have that information, Lordship. As far as their account is concerned, that's been...
No, the money is gone from their account, so freezing what? Only 500 rupees is left. So freezing what 500 rupees do?
That information I don't have. We'll submit the affidavit, detailed affidavit.
No detailed affidavit, but then like what we concerned HDFC is very slow in acting. Whenever they get a complaint that there's no onward, you don't freeze an account where the money goes. And by the time it goes, the money is only gone 3-4 hands.
The only thing that the bank can do is send a request to that if it's not the same.
Of course, they send a request.
That
if you're the largest bank in India after State Bank, you can't even do this. What will happen?
It should be there. Because one of the contention of the petitioner is that some information were not disclosed to her also because of the investigation going on.
That's different. But even then, from the side of the bank, suppose any suspicious kind of transaction or a complaint brought, you freeze everything. You get whatever this person is gone to. Parambrata Mazumdar something of Kolkata.
Yes.
Is as the beneficiary and transaction of 8,10,000 was credited to the account of complainant. So you should have credited to your account.
No, my lord. They
taken out from your account.
Yes, taken out from my account.
Debited.
Yes, from the account.
Yes.
Yes. Huh? You should buy. The said report is exhaustive and detailed. And the report is I will not say anything. Yes, the report, a copy of the same be made over to the council for 24th, also to the council for the petitioner. Just after 1 week for the orders. 2 weeks.
2 weeks, affidavit.
Otherwise, your bank, something is wrong. Then will be made. Will same orders will follow. You pay 9 lakhs to the account. Copy of this report is taken on board and made part of the report.
So, Blashman.
16.
Number 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20.
My lord, this is the matter where we are saying, my lord, that a special committee was constituted. And now Mr. Senior Counsel is also appearing. He will appreciate one thing, my lord, that there was no endeavor made by the government to constitute a regular managing committee. It was a special managing committee which was allowed to be continued. Now, my lord, 3 advertisements has been floated by the special managing committee, my lord.
What's this matter about?
This managing committee where my lord's order was there to constitute a managing committee. They have not done it, my lord. They have not even made any endeavor. My lords may kindly come to the order.
Page 101.
Page 101, my lord.
Second last page. This is order of December, my lord. We'll file affidavit in the meantime.
My lord, I'm pressing for my miscase, my lord, today. Three things that I want to bring before this honorable court, my lord, notice.
101 is not a court order.
No, this is the order by which a special managing committee was constituted. Let me just complete, please. My lord, may kindly come to page 92. Page 92 is the first round of litigation, my lord, where my lord has given an order in page 93. Para 5, my lord. It is expected that the entire exercise should be completed preferably within 2 months from the date of receipt of this order by the respondent number 3 and 4. However, it is provided that till further orders are passed by the respondent number 3 and 4, status quo should be maintained as on date, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, there was another order which was passed by this honorable court. That is on page 96, my lord.
Yes.
Page 96 is my para 2. In view of the direction which has been passed in writ petition number so and so, the writ petition also stand disposed of by the directing the respondent to also consider the grievances put forward by the petitioner in the instant petition, my lord. My lord, there was an order of this honorable court, my lord. This order was never challenged, my lord. They have summoned us, my lord, before them. They
had a meeting.
No, my lord. Then they just took our statement, my lord. Okay. Both the parties' statement. They have never notified, my lord, that there will be a meeting at a particular date and there was some law and order problem. They have postponed. Nothing of that sort, my lord. They have allowed the special managing committee, which was under challenge in the first round of litigation, to continue, my lord. Now, what this special managing committee is doing, my lord, they have published three advertisements, my lord.
It is in the writ petition.
No, not in the writ petition. They have done it after filing of the writ petition. We have the copy of it, of the Shillong Times newspaper, my lord, by which they have floated 3 advertisements, my lord. And very smartly they have done, my lord, just to get rid of this reservation policy, my lord. What they have done, every alternative day they have published, my lord, 3 notifications, by which, my lord, a particular post was advertised. That is not permissible, my lord. Whereas there is already 4 vacancies. They should have gone for one advertisement, my lord, for the 4 vacancies. They have not done it, my lord. Just to get rid of this reservation policy, my lord, they have notified, my lord, in a newspaper, Shillong Times, 3 different advertisements, my lord. My lord?
Which date were they published?
This is on Tura edition, my lord, March 1st, 2026, Sunday, my lord. Then Wednesday, February 25th February, my lord, and then 27th February. And very
25, 27 and 1st.
Yes, my lord. And if my lord may kindly produce the advertisement, they are saying it is unreserved. All the 3 or 4 posts, my lord, they are saying it is unreserved. And because of this only, my lord, this special managing committee was constituted, my lord. They don't want to do it regular, my lord. So there's all this hodgepodge they cannot create, my lord. And now, if government is helping them, my lord, in this, my lord, then it is very sad affairs, my lord. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes. This is the same one, correct? Or is
No, it's 3 different posts, my lord. One post is for political science, my lord.
One's mathematics.
One is for science subject. And all are UR, my lord, unreserved. How they can, they have even overlooked, my lord, the reservation policy of the state, my lord. And state is sitting over it, my lord. Yes. So my contention is this, my lord, before this honorable court, there was a miscase, my lord. And I said,
Where is your affidavit?
Lord, I'm awaiting
Where is this
instructions.
file?
Well, this is this year, my lord.
Whatever
I'll-
this year, now
yes.
we're already in March. You have instructions?
No, my lord. I
Show
pray for a week's
instructions.
time. No, I have not received, my lord.
Why
My
you
lord,
have this
kindly-
problem with whenever you have no instructions, always no affidavit filed?
My lord, this is a new matter,
It's
my
not a
lord.
new matter, instructions should come immediately.
My lord, I pray for a week's
Henceforth,
time.
what we'll do
My
is
lord-
if the motion
my
is
lord will
listed,
kindly- my
before
lord-
motion is listed and notice is
My lord
served
will
on
kindly
counsel,
appreciate- my
and
lord-
obtain instructions before matter comes appears for the court.
My lord will kindly appreciate what is the locus of the petitioner, my lord. How is the petitioner affected?
And I'm the.
He is one of the parent and
Guardian, my
guardian.
lord.
How is he affected by the advertisement, my lord?
Why not, my lord?
Is he a candidate?
I am challenging the constitution of the special managing committee itself.
If the managing committee is acting in their, managing committee is acting,
my lord,
is executing functions by orders of this court for constituting regular managing committee. If you engage in activities, at least consider the managing committee first, then other things will follow.
My lord will kindly appreciate
After voting, who's the SD? Who
there is neither any.
My
My
lord,
lord,
kindly see the impugned order, my lord. He is not taking lots of impugned order also.
I have taken, my lord.
File affidavit. I mean, what is the
We'll
problem?
file affidavit, my lord.
We'll state advertisement.
Yes, my lord. Let them not pursue the.
No,
My
advertisement.
lord, kindly see, my lord, the prayer and the writ petition, because any interim prayer can only be incidental to the main prayer. Main prayer is something altogether different, my lord.
yes, my lord, that is the case.
My lord, it
There
has
is no
subsequently,
way,
this is an
no
offshoot
reading in the-
offshoot of filing of this writ petition, my lord. They have.
Is this ASM issued by this special
And my
committee?
lord, kindly see there is a set procedure, my lord, how the teachers, who will conduct the selection process, my lord. I'll just place the rule for you. It's a government body who will conduct the selection process. my lord.
Why not doing it then? Why you not considering the managing committee? That's a core question. Forget about all these other things which are just embellishing,
My lord,
the
The
other
question is answered in the impugned order itself, my lord. If I may just take a lot of the impugned order, my lord.
19 to 25.
Yes, my lord.
1920.
101, page 101, annexure 19.
I'll read also the copy. You better go.
Well, the copy is not very legible. ठीक है, इसमें शायद थोड़ा-
What kind of reference order is this? Whether Volaga number 2.
Sorry, ma'am. Whether holding of the general meeting or reconstitution is essentially likely to be influenced or vitiated by any party. On examination of the inquiry report submitted by DSCO Tura, it appears that there is no consensus among the parties regarding the validity of the general meeting which were held on 10th August 22 and so and so. It is evident from the report that differences among the parties continue till date, and therefore holding of a general meeting for reconstitution fresh is likely to be influenced by one or any of the parties involved, or there is a likelihood of the entire process of selection of a fresh SMC being vitiated or disrupted, thereby leading to an inclusive result of having a regular SMC, which would then allow the entire cycle of dispute and differences to happen over and over again. Therefore, having considered all possible circumstances and situations and taking into account the overall interest of the school, which includes the student, teachers, parents, and other stakeholders, the current special committee, which was constituted by the DSEO, wide order passed by the Education Department of 14th October 24, may be allowed to function until further orders. Meanwhile, the SDSCO West Garo Hills District is instructed to closely monitor the situation and inform the office as and when the situation is conducive for reconstitution of regular SMC by following due process of law and principles of democracy. They also kindly see the petitioners, the political interest.
Yeah, but it is because our senior is saying, my lord, we are all politically influenced, my lord. What he has to show, my lord, that I am politically influenced, my lord. Can he show something on record, my lord?
Also, kindly see, my lord, page number 90. Page 90.
This kind of statement from the senior, my lord, it doesn't.
1 second, please hold on.
It doesn't matter.
Politically, my lord,
Please hold on,
may
please
kindly
hold on.
see the advertisement, my lord.
See, so
And the state is accepting
this,
it.
Director of School Education, is scared of these people. You're abdicating the entire authority of constituting managing committee.
It's only temporarily, my lord.
Whatever it is, Dr. Mozika.
For the last 3 years, it is running, my lord. This special managing committee.
24 human managing committee. Total abdication of authority. Let them do whatever they feel like. This is what's happening.
Kindly see,
if you're going to put up, just apprehensions that this, now every election to even MLA or even MDC, I think it's all apprehension of law and order. So because of that, you won't have elections anymore.
We will have, my lord.
No, I mean, what kind of
things are normal,
justification is this? What this person, whoever director school,
And
now
who are-
one of his whether holy general meeting is likely to be influenced officially. Can you make this kind of observation in a administrative order?
But kindly see the petitions, my lord. What business they have, my lord?
Doesn't matter whoever this is, but the very fact that this order has been generated speaks volume. You don't even need to come.
But not only that, I'll also show something, my lord, that speaks volume. My lord. Kindly see page 95, my lord, was the petition. Kindly see page 91 over the petition.
No, see, I'm not saying that he's a saint or you're a villain. All are swimming together in one pool.
What business they have, my lord? Every
What
moment
business
has
you have also to pass this kind of orders of the state? Yes, 95 what?
Kindly see the petition, my lord, 95.
Yes.
And 91, let's see the petition, my lord.
Yes.
What business they have, my lord?
My lord, I am Anwar Hussain, my lord.
26 for nothing, my lord. Every time there is anything.
We are not looking at that, Dr. Moses. Please try to understand.
Well, I
if we are
appreciate that,
concerned
my lord.
about public interest or interest of the school,
Well, interest is
all these
perfectly
people,
all right,
all these people are just playing around
and
they're influencing the
school is doing
director of
well,
school.
my lord. The school is perfectly doing well.
The director of school education also is totally influenced. It just appears from here.
But school is doing perfectly well, my lord. There is
Perfectly
absolutely
well,
no
perfectly
problem in
badly
school, my
well.
lord.
There is not a question. But whether it should function as per the rules, as per the act of regulations, we have to have regular, which is, we have to have a management committee which has been constituted from a general meeting or sponsoring body.
My lord, that's
Then
not,
they have to.
My lord, that is not even the idea in the rules, my lord. That this is what has been followed all these years, my lord. I placed in earlier matter what the rules say about the constitution of the SMC, my lord. This all has to be entirely government body, my lord, except two parents representatives.
Yes. So go ahead and consider regular managing committee. What's stopping you?
But that's for government, my lord.
We'll give you 1 week's time.
For instructions.
Not for instructions, for consider managing committee.
So, Madam, kindly allow me a week's time.
You haven't come instructions, so when was this filed?
This is
February, my lord.
Feb, my lord. This came up for motion on 16, my lord.
Not a question of motion. The question is that what has been brought to notice of the court? The order was passed for reconstitution for regular managing committee when?
So that was in August.
Yes, August. Last year.
Yes, my lord.
August 24.
Mr. Bharati, can a school function without a regular managing committee?
I appreciate what has fallen from your lordship, my lord. Kindly allow me a week's time. I'll seek instructions, my lord.
But no appointment, my lord. There an impugn order?
My lord, with regard to the election, my lord, because since some observations already there in the order.
Is it the order?
Yes, my lord, I've seen the order. Because the order of the director says that some conducive situation where election can be held.
Now,
so kindly allow me a week's time. I'll seek instructions.
My lord, director sitting in Shillong, he is finding that their atmosphere is very hostile. He cannot.
You also, Angel.
No, I'm not Angel, my lord, but I am bringing something.
The thing is that whatever we are concerned, the state respond, abrogating the authority.
My lord, one thing can I humbly submit?
Letting some other people enjoy the foods.
My lord, if I can humbly submit something, my lord.
Yes.
Putting this matter.
My lord, even none of the advertisements are on challenge before this honorable court, my lord.
Subsequently to this repetition, my lord, they have done, my lord, so that, my lord, before my lord pass any interim order, my lord, they have floated this advertisement, my lord.
But they can give us a copy of the advertisement, my lord.
It is there. It is your managing committee. Your managing committee.
I'll take
your managing committee.
But it is Xerox, give it to us also.
You have not filed a mischief to this one?
No, my lord, because it has been just published, my lord. It has been published in March, my lord.
Take down, yes. These schools, I don't know how. I feel sorry for the children.
Well, the schools are doing very well, my lord. There are toppers from all these schools, my lord. The politics is at a different level, my lord, because it's not affecting the students or their performance.
But I mean, how coveted is this post of being secretary managing committee in the schools?
They are interested.
No, you are there also. You're very excited also. What is there to covet so much?
Right now, there is a special committee, my lord. I am representing the special committee.
Why it's so coveted this post? VEC and this managing committee. Why in this plain district? What is there behind it?
I want to place the rules, my lord. What the rules say, and advertisement or recruitment will be strictly in terms of the rules, my lord. Where SMC has no role, my lord.
This is issued by SMC.
Well, only the advertisement has to be issued by SMC, my lord. The rest of the process will be carried out.
No, my lord. Then let it be recorded. Let a statement of
that will be
Dr.
recorded.
Mozika, everyone knows, like when these advertisements are floated, there's a managing committee that conducts the
Yes, my lord.
the interview.
No, my lord.
Yes.
No.
It's
that
done
is-
that way and recommended. No. It's very on paper. Everything will be no. Yes. But it doesn't happen that way.
No, my lord.
We can't make observations, but we are compelled to. Is Janapriya high this
High.
time? What's the other school from? What?
Bhadbhari,
The other
Higher
school from
Secondary,
Bhadbhari,
Rajabala Higher Secondary
Rajabala.
School. These are all this, my lord. This is a chain.
It has got a disease. You see, the toppers will interview the toppers here to see how good they
There
are.
are, my lord. Many of them, they clear need the sort of medical examinations.
Only, my lord, if they want to file an affidavit, let them file an affidavit, my lord. But this advertise cannot proceed further.
On record,
Just no.
yes, Mr. K.P. Varsaji, head counsel for the GA for respondent number
My lord, 124, my lord.
124. You are paying first time today, Dr. Bozika?
Yes.
Is present behalf of respondent 124 and Dr. N. Mozika Lilith, senior counsel with so as other appearance on behalf of respondent number 5 as such. This is complete all respondent stuff. Next by Mr. K. Varsaji, praise that he allowed further 2 weeks to obtain necessary instructions with regard to the reconstitution of the school managing committee. Stop. Next, at this stage, Mr. S. D. the counsel petitioner, has apprised the court that the managing committee has since floated 3 advertisements in quick succession. That is on
February 25th,
February 25th, 2026,
March 1st, and
no, 26th, 25th, February 25th, February 27th, and March 1st for 3 teachers posts.
Yes,
which in the said school. Then a council, I'm just recording submission, has submitted that the issuance of advertisements in quick session is an oblique motive to circumvent the reservation policy of the state and also to cause appointments before regular managing committee is put in place. Stop. Dr. Mozika, Lieutenant number 5, has strongly objected to these submissions of Mr. SD and submits that whatever action taken or to be taken is always strictly in accordance with law. Stop. On hearing the legal counsel of the parties, without running on the parties, it is noted that I will not comment on the order of that. You tell him that. You tell him what the court observed. You can't, as a director of school education, you can't make this kind of. It noted that specific instruction necessary to be obtained from the government respondents. That's also affidavit from respondent number 5 as to the manner in which the managing committee has issued the advertisements. So, this will matter. This matter appear after 2 weeks. The Learned Council petition is permitted to find affidavit or record the said advertisements. So, this after 2 weeks. Yes.
But my lord, this advertisement, my lord, they will take the interview on 8th, my lord. On 8th of March. Or otherwise, my lord, may at least dismiss my petition, my lord. At least I will have.
Because on 8th,
It's already gone.
Already they have already, yeah, my lord, they have already, the last date is over, my lord. Now they will conduct an interview. At least, my lord, that interview should not be conducted, my lord.
show the advertisement.
No, sure. Then you challenge it, you stay the appointment.
Now, then they will say, my lord, I have no locus. I brought into notice of this honorable court, my lord, how they are doing hand in gloves, the government and the private respondent. Hand in gloves. That is correct, my lord. That is
Just
that is
because
correct.
I'm silent doesn't mean that my friend can make this.
And moreover, my lord, the state is not opposing this advertisement and putting all these three posts, my lord, unreserved, my lord.
There is
very
no
unfortunate, my lord.
application filed before this honorable court. There is no challenge to this
Any
advertisement.
appointment to the Any appointment made pursuant after summons shall be subject to result of the petition.
Hal your best.
Hearing to the what?
Understanding the locus of the petitioner.
Hal your best.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship,
Yeah,
if
what's
I
the
may...
matter about?
It's regarding demarcation, my lord.
Yes.
Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to withdraw, Your Lordship, with a liberty to file fresh.
We have no case also. Where's Ms. Hazarika?
Yes, in
I
division
gave you
bench.
time so that the matter got dismissed in his presence. MSE Paju raised up without to withdraw this application. How liberty to file a fresh if so advised. Yes. Praise allowed matters are supposed to withdraw with deputy escalate.
23.
Obliged, Lordship.
His Lordship, as per the last order dated 17/2/2026, I was given a last opportunity to file the rejoinder. Your Lordship, I have filed it already today. This matter may come up after some time.
Last opportunity, when was it allowed?
To file the rejoinder on 17/2/2026. So I have filed
You
it
are
today.
not filing it.
I have filed it.
You received copy?
Yes, Your
I have given a copy.
Okay. It is submitted by Mr. Pixama that the journal has been filed today itself. Okay, this is a matter of hearing after?
After 2 weeks, my lord. Much blessed, Lordship.
25.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. In this matter, your lordship, the petitioner is aggrieved by the action of the respondent rejecting his pensionary benefits under the Meghalaya Service Rule, Pension Rules 1983, your lordship. Whereas other similarly situated staff under the department has been allowed to continue with the old pension scheme, your lordship.
Okay.
Your lordship, the petitioner...
But the thing is that, as by synopsis, you say that this one issued an order from only from 2015 instead of initial date appointment. That's why you're ineligible under the old pension scheme.
Yes, your lordship.
How
But
do you, now,
other similarly...
retrospective regularization, correct?
Here, your lordship, what had happened, I was initially appointed in the year
Where's the appointment order? Let's see.
1998. It's annexure 1, your lordship, page 21.
You're retired or still serving?
Still serving, your lordship. After working in the department, after being appointed in 1998, I've been serving the department. Then
You're working as LDA?
LDA, your lordship. Thereafter, your lordship, after serving 8 years of my service, I've submitted a representation to the respondent authority for regularizing my...
1 second. Say 498. You were?
I was appointed on 3rd 4th 1998, your lordship. That is annexure 1.
Yes.
Thereafter, your lordship, after serving the department for almost 8 years, I filed a representation for regularizing my service. There,
Yes.
your lordship, I was assured that my service will be regularized, your lordship. Your lordship, if I can take your lordship to page 50, annexure 11, your lordship.
You came before this court also. Yes. Page?
Page 50, your lordship, annexure
50.
11, 50. Letter dated 11 December 2006.
Yes.
Should I read, your lordship? I am directed to refer to your letter cited above and to say that since the commission has been intimated about 4 vacancies
These may be filled up by direct recruitment, while the 4 posts held by candidates who are over age will be considered for regularization at a later stage, since Health Department did not furnish the name when called for submission for cabinet approval.
So you're one of the 4.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now what happened?
Thereafter, Your Lordship, my service has never been regularized. Being aggrieved, I have approached this Honorable Court by way of a writ petition in the year 2013 and right order dated, which is in page 33, Your Lordship.
Yes, what happened?
This Honorable Court has directed the respondent to consider my my representation on humanitarian grounds, taking into consideration that I am over age and that I have served the department for 15 years, Your Lordship.
Then where's the authorization? When you regularize, where's the order?
Order of regularization is at page 48, Your Lordship.
48?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Around 15.
Yes, Your Lordship. The order was passed in 14, Your Lordship, 5514, but the other was the regularization order was passed on 1/7/2015, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Your Lordship, after receiving my regularization order, I've made numerous representation to the respondent authority to reconsider to revalidate the regularization order, so that I will be enabled to avail the pension scheme under the Meghalaya Service Pension Rules, Your Lordship, 1983. However, the same was rejected without giving any effective response, Your Lordship.
Where's the rejection? Where's the rejection order?
Your Lordship, Annexure 20, Your Lordship. Page 66, Your Lordship.
What did he say?
No reasons has been, no effective response has been given, just that
Page 66 just says that.
pay for pension consequence.
No.
66, Your Lordship.
66 just says that. Just says that inviting reference to your letter.
Mentioned above, I am directed to request you to kindly adhere to personal department decision conveyed earlier by letter dated 24/6/2015, as it is the compliance of the court's order dated. Just to comply. Just that, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if I may take Your Lordship to page 71.
Yes.
Which is the list of the colleagues' work, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, some of my colleagues who were appointed after 2000, in the year 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, Your Lordship, though they were regularized on 15/3/2022, Your Lordship, but they were made to avail the pensionary benefits under the
pension scheme?
Your Lordship, if I may take Your Lordship to page 76.
They've been in old pension scheme. Nine.
Page 76, Your Lordship.
Yes. Number 9, paragraph 9.
From paragraph 6, Your Lordship, will be applicable. Whereas by letter personnel dated 8 July 1983 and letter dated so and so, the personnel A and RB department has clarified that the period of continuous officiating appointment under regulation 3F or on ad hoc appointment of government servants will also count towards leave increment pension extra on their appointment having been regularization on recommendation of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission, District Selection Commission, or any other authority approved in this behalf. Whereas the undersigned is directed to state that the guidelines of the new defined contribution pension scheme as contained in para 3.1 of the appendix by memorandum so and so issued by Finance Pension Cell Department is hereby relaxed for 3635 ad hoc employee whose appointment was made on or before 31st December 2007. Whereas in pursuant to the above cabinet decision of 9/11/2022, the state government is pleased to convey extension of pensionary benefits for 3635 ad hoc employee which have been regularized as per the provision of the Meghalaya Civil Service Pension Rules. Hence, the ad hoc employee who are regularized will now be covered under the Meghalaya Civil Service Pension Rules.
You want to see benefit by this one?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Shulai.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship kindly have page. Lordship has seen that appointment at page 21, your Lordship. Then Lordship, he filed a writ petition. And that writ petition came to be disposed of, your Lordship, by directing the state to consider, your Lordship, his regularization sympathetically, your Lordship. Lordship kindly have a page number. If Lordship kindly have our affidavit, your Lordship. Lordship kindly have page 19.
Yes.
Page 19, your Lordship, that is the order passed by this court, your Lordship. Lordship, where the state has been directed to consider the representation, your Lordship. So that has been considered, your Lordship, and in the subsequent page, your Lordship, page 23, he has been regularized, your Lordship, in the year 2015, your Lordship. And Lordship kindly have page 24, your Lordship. There is an instruction, your Lordship, that Lordship kindly turn to page 24. Instruction that his date of regularization should be prospective, your Lordship. Not,
Why didn't challenge 2015?
Lordship, this is 2015, your Lordship, and he filed the writ petition in 2024.
Representation, your Lordship, to the office till to,
Can you see, your Lordship?
2022. Your Lordship, in
There is a
2022,
delay, your
when we
Lordship.
came to learn, your Lordship,
No, but this order was given to you on
2015, your Lordship. 2015.
numerous representation, your Lordship. There are several communication
after this
made.
order was issued, also you filed representation.
Yes, your Lordship. Several representation, your
2015,
Lordship.
This was passed on 30th June 2015. So where's the representation?
All these, your Lordship. From 2000, after that in even before regularization, your Lordship.
No, after regularization. Because see, when they regularized
After
you,
regularization,
the
your
only
Lordship.
concession they gave, they said that they've agreed to propose or revise your service with effect the date of issue of the order and not from retrospective effect as claimed.
Not from the date of appointment, your Lordship. Your Lordship, on 4th February 2016, we have filed our representation.
And what was the answer to that?
That answer will be in page 51, your Lordship.
Or with a petition?
Yes, your Lordship. No explanation is given, your Lordship, just relying on the order of
Where's the representation,
regularization,
let's see?
your Lordship.
Oh, yes, okay. This is at the. No, this is before regularization. Oh, yes, after.
After regularization.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Shulai.
Lordship.
Because the earlier order, was the earlier order where it said the names have not been sent? Where is that?
Lordship, that'll come, your Lordship. That so far the name which had been shown, your Lordship, that is at page.
Next year 11.
Lordship, yes.
Sorry. Next year 6, page 50.
2006, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly see this, Your Lordship. This will be eclipsed, Your Lordship, by the order passed by this court in 2014, Your Lordship. The order of the court in 2014 is that the state should consider
But
his.
suppose, okay, leaving things aside, you can't consider since he working since 98, the service been given. If 3635 employees upon 2007
He has been regularized, Your Lordship, in 2015 by the order passed by this court.
Those 3635 ad hoc 3F employees,
No, that
they have been under cabinet order.
Lordship,
Correct, they have been regular cabinet order, and they also been given the benefit of old pension scheme.
Lordship, that I'll come, Your Lordship. That I'll come, Your Lordship. He was regularized in the year 2015, Your Lordship. Whereas those 3,000 plus, Your Lordship, they have been regularized by the order of the cabinet in 2022, Your Lordship. In 2022, Your Lordship.
No, that we understand.
2022, Your Lordship.
So, no, what about, what is the reason for not taking the early years that he served? Because there's not a memo.
Lordship, I'm coming to that, Your Lordship.
2010 memo. You're next it.
If Lordship kindly have,
like for the purposes of pension increment, then you can be taken from it's taken only unknown other purposes, only the initial appointment. Where's that?
Lordship, I'm coming to that, Your Lordship.
You get where's the 2010? Next year? Or you're not aware of it? There are two notifications. The two notifications says that only for the purpose of pension, then your date initial appointment also will be taken into consideration.
If Lordship kindly have page 25 of our affidavit.
Yes. Office memorandum dated
24 March 2010, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And Lordship kindly have Lordship kindly have page 28.
One second. Not this one. The one-page notification. Yes.
Lordship kindly have page 28, Your Lordship.
This is a new defined pension.
Lordship, yes.
Yes.
Because our case is that sin has been regularized in the year 2015, Your Lordship.
We understand.
Lordship. Kindly see 3.1, Your Lordship.
See, Mr. Should have to understand. Courts have to look beyond that. You see, because a person served, so I mean, he can't see his other person serving in the same office with him who were regularized in 22, getting benefit old pension scheme while he's been working since 98. It's not. They were just appointed 2007.
Lordship
You understand that you're looking at equity. I think another person same situated, maybe working from 2000 or from 2005 or 2006. They're getting regularized 22. They get a old pension scheme.
Lordship, his regularization has been done, Your Lordship, in pursuant to the direction passed by this court.
That's before the others, but why can't you give the same?
But those 22, Your Lordship, those 3,000 plus have been regularized by the order of the cabinet in the year 2022, Your Lordship.
That will not take as an excuse. We're saying that we're looking at, why was past was not taken into consideration.
And Lordship, kindly have page 28, Your Lordship, at 3.1. It says, Your Lordship, the scheme shall be applicable to all new entrants joining state government service on regular basis.
Where is the 2010 notification?
Lordship,
There's a OM 2010. Where's that?
Lordship, that is at page 25, Your Lordship.
No, this is not the one. This is regarding the pension scheme money. There's not the OM also.
Then, Lordship, I'll have
regarding
to.
OM regard to like where the clear instructions that we understand, but you see, the thing is that
his prayer and petition is for a new to make him fall under the old pension scheme, Your Lordship. We say no, he is not.
Lordship, if I may be allowed to submit my judgment on this, it's similar to a case, Your Lordship. It's of the court, the High Court.
Yes, true.
Lordship, in this case also, the petitioner was appointed in 1999. Thereafter, her service was brought into regular basis in the year 2015, Your Lordship. Then the Honorable High Court, the Guwahati High Court, directed the respondent authority to consider her under the old pension scheme, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, a relevant para will be from point 10, Your Lordship.
No, one thing is that, you see, from a data initial point, he has put regular scale in. That's one thing. See, that's one thing, Mr. Shula, you have to consider. He's put regular scale or trappings of regular employment.
Lordship,
And even if you take,
2015.
forget 22 also, the notification, even the other people who just ad hoc, they just working as, they were given a benefit also.
Lordship, in 2015, he has
You get a
been
2010 notification, you have that, right? At OM.
Let me
That
have
says that, you know, that whatever it is only for the purpose of pension, it can be taken into consideration. No other benefit, but only for the purpose of pension.
2000 notification, Your Lordship.
2010 is there. I think. There's early ones from 98, 2010 is there also.
I'll have to find out, Your Lordship.
Because we'll pass orders for reconsideration. That's the thing. Whether you object, you should reject it later on, we don't know, but
Lordship, because there is a cut off date, Your Lordship. So far, regularization of those people have been done post 2010, Your Lordship.
should have done it then to those people in 22, no?
Post 2010, Your
You should have
Lordship.
done it. If you're going to follow the notification of 2010, you should have done in 22. If you're going to abide by the strict mandate of your memorandum that says after 2010 you run a new pension scheme, then why did the cabinet decide that in 22?
That is only for as a special case, Your Lordship. The order speaks very clearly, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Malads, may I crave your lordship's kind indulgence, Malads?
Yes.
Malads, there is a very urgent matter, Malads, that had been filed on Friday. Malads, we are craving your lordship's kind indulgence if my lords kindly take it up today. Malads, the difficulty is this pertains to the a notification issued by the GHEDC, Malads, barring the non-tribals from participating in the GHEDC elections.
That'll go
Against the
division
mandate
bench.
of- I'm sorry, Malads.
There's already a PL before division bench.
My lord, yes,
Well,
ma'am. That,
which is why, my lords, we did not mention the matter in the morning. Now, when we went to mention the matter before the division bench, my lords, at 12 a.m., 12 noon, that PIL was withdrawn. Now, which
Another
is why, my
PIL.
lords, I'm forced to make this mention before my lords at this stage.
but another PIL was also filed today, my lord, and mentioned and listed tomorrow, my lord. The new PIL.
Tomorrow then. Elections are when? 8th.
Nomination started today from my lord.
My lords, the difficulty, as I'm instructed,
On 16th,
is,
my
my
lord.
lords, what has happened is, my lords, when people are going to file their nomination papers in Garo Hills, there has been some kind of, my lords, scuffle, and it is leading to some kind of law and order situation.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
which is why, my lords, we are forced to make a mention before my lords at this stage.
So don't file nominations now, file it tomorrow. It's still 16 nominations.
16th is the last date, my lord.
come tomorrow.
16th is the last date, my lords, because this would require some consideration.
Let me see red petition first, on what grounds you're making out, because it's a matter which concerns.
The matter was, the petition was served upon me on Friday.
Yes.
The matter is not on board today. I have not even brought my file.
Yes,
Let it
so
come
let it come
tomorrow, my
tomorrow.
lord.
Yes.
Why there is so
Tomorrow.
much in
My
hurry?
lords will have it tomorrow then.
As per the roster, my lord, it will come tomorrow, my lord. Why do you have to make a mention?
Obliged, ma'am.
We'll mention it for today.